Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to design this website UI in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our UI design. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle 920 by 1080 pixels. Now we will set the align. First we will click on specified point, then we will align center horizontally and align vertically. Now we will fill black color in this rectangle and we will remove the outline. Now we will right click and we will click on option lock. So this background will lock. It will not move here and there when we will do other designing. Now we will select the polygon tool from the toolbar. Point should be 6 and we will draw a polygon shape. Now we will give white color to the outline of the polygon shape so it will be visible. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a line like this. Now again we will give a white color to this line so it will be visible. Now we will zoom and we will select a shape tool from the toolbar. Now we will match the points. Now I'll select this line and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we will select these 3 lines and we will drag and right click and we will make a copy and we will place like this. Now we will select all lines and the polygon shape. Now we'll click on option trim. Now we will select all the lines and we will delete. So now we have this shape. Now we'll select this shape and we will increase the size of the outline. Now we'll give a yellow color to the outline by right click. Now we'll select this shape and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we'll select this shape and we will go to the effects menu and we will click on the option blur. Now we will select Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size of Gaussian blur. Radius size should be around 21 or 22. Now we'll select this blur shape and we will do Ctrl C to make a copy and we will do Ctrl V to paste the copy. Now we'll select both shapes and we will set the align. First we will click on selected objects. Now we will select align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we'll select the text tool from the toolbar and we will make a simple logo for the example. First we will select the font. Now we'll select the rectangle tool and we will draw a square shape. Now I'll right click on the square. Now I'll select convert to curves. Now we'll select the shape tool and we will delete this node by double click, and we will add the node, then we will click on convert to curve. Now we will make a shape. Again we will click on convert to curve. We will make a leaf kind of shape. Now we will place on the text. Now I'll fill color. I'll remove the outline by right click. So this is the example for the logo. Now we will select all and we will right click and click on group. Now I'll place this logo. We can adjust the size. Now again we will select the text tool and we will select the font style. Now we will write the company name or a brand name. Now I will change the color and we will place like this. I will select both and we will adjust the size. Now I will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small rectangle. I will click on round corner option. I will select the shape tool. Now we will round the corners. Now I will fill color in this shape. Now I will remove the outline by right click. Now I will place like this. Now I will adjust the size. I will select the text tool and we will write the text. First we will select the font style. We will select Arial font style. Now we will write home. Now we'll place this text on the shape. We will give a bold look to the text. I will select the text and the shape and we will set the align horizontally and align center vertically. Now we'll select this text and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will edit the text. Similarly, we will write all the text. Now we will select all this 4 text and we will set the align. We will set the align vertically, and we will set the distribute equally. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar, and we will draw a small circle. Now we will make a search icon. Now we will drag inside with the shift key, and we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll select both circles. Now we'll click on trim. Now we will delete the inner circle. Now we will select the rectangle tool, and we will draw a rectangle. Now we'll select both, and we will set the align. We will set align center horizontally. Now we'll select both, and we will click on weld. Now we will fill color, and we will remove the outline. Now we will decrease the size, and we will place here. Now we will double click, and we will rotate. Now again we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar, and we will draw a small circle. Now we will set the size of this circle. Now we will zoom, and we will make a copy of this small circle by drag and right click. Now we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now again we will drag and right click to make copies. Then we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we'll select all the circles, and we will click on group. This is the icon for more option. I'll place this icon here. Now we will select the text tool, and we will write the text. Now we will give space after every alphabet. Now I'll place here, and we will give a yellow color to the text. Now again we will select the text tool, then we will select the font style. Now we will write the text. I'll give a pink color to this text. I'll place here. I'll increase the size. Now we'll select the rectangle tool from the toolbar, and we will draw a square shape. Now we will set the size of this square 350 pixel by 350. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar. Now we will apply on the square. Now we'll set the colors. We will use dark shade on the left and the right side, and in center we will use light shade. Now we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will adjust the interactive fill tool. I think I should give a more lighter shade in the center. Now we'll select the square and now we'll click on interactive fill tool. Now we will select the smooth option. Now we will drag inside with the shift key and we will right click to make a copy of the square. Now I'll click on the interactive fill tool. I'll click on reverse fill. Now we will change the angle of interactive fill tool. Now I'll select both and we will adjust the size. I'll place here. Now I'll drag and right click to make a copy. Now I'll select the outer square and we will change the color. Now we'll select the inner square. Now I'll go to the edit menu and we will click on copy properties from. Now I'll click on fill. Now I'll click on the outer square. Now I'll click on interactive fill tool and we will change the angle. Again we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now similarly we will change the color. Again we will select the inner square and we will click on copy properties from and we will copy properties from the outer square. Now I'll change the angle and we will make a copy like this and we will place. Now we will make a fourth square. Again we will change the color. We will follow the same process for all the squares. I will select both and we will place like this. Now I will select one by one and we will click on group. We will group all the squares. Now I'll select all 4 squares and we will set the align. We will set the align vertically. I'll select the polygon shape and we will decrease the size. Now we'll select all 4 squares and we will group. Now we'll select the text tool. Font will be same. Now we will write 4 letters separately. We will write sale. Now we'll select the S and we will place on the first square box. Now we will set the size. By mistake I have write 2A, so now I will correct. We will write E. I will place A. We will give a same size to all the alphabet. I will select all 4 squares and we will set the align. We will set align center vertically. I will select all the square box and we will right click, then we will group. I will make a copy by drag and right click. Now I will click on the option mirror vertically to flip. Now we will select the lower boxes and we will select the transparency tool and we will apply like this from top to bottom. Now we will increase the size of transparency. Now we'll select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small rectangle. Now we will give a white outline to this rectangle so it will be visible. Now we'll click on the option round corner. Now we'll select the shape tool and we will round the corners. Now we will ungroup this square boxes because we will copy properties from this squares. Now we will select this shape and we will go to the edit menu. Now I will click on copy properties from. Now I will tick on fill. Now I will click on OK. Now we will click from where you want to copy the properties. Now I will make a copy of this shape by drag and right click. Now I will go to the effects menu and we will select the option blur. Now I will click on Gaussian blur. Now we will click on OK. Now I will select both shapes and we will set the align. First we will click on selected objects. Now we will align horizontally and vertically. Now we will zoom and we will decrease the size of this shape. Now I'll select the text tool and we will write shop now. Now I'll change the font style. Now I'll select the font style. I'll give a bold look to the text and we will decrease the size. First we will change the color, then we will decrease the size and we will place here. Now we'll select both and we will set the align horizontally and vertically. Now again we will select the text tool write the website. We'll select the Arial font style. Now I'll place here. Give a bold look to the text. Now I'll select all the text and the shapes. Now I'll set the align horizontally. Now I'll select the polygon shape and we will keep this aside. Now we will select blur polygon shape. I think I should decrease the blur radius size. So I will decrease the size of the Gaussian blur. Now we'll select both and we will set the align horizontally and vertically. Now we will import the image. Now we'll decrease the size of the image. I'll make a copy of this image by drag and right click. Now I'll click on the option mirror vertically to flip the image. I'll place this image like this. Now I'll select both image and we will set the align horizontally. Now we will zoom. Now we'll select the knife tool from the toolbar and we will cut this image like this. I'll select this image and we will delete. I'll select this image and we will select the transparency tool from the toolbar and we will apply on the image. We will apply transparency tool like this. Select this and we will drag with the arrow key. I think I should change the color of the shape, so I'll give a black color. And now we will change the color of the text as well. I think now it's looking better. I'll change the color of this shape as well. And we will give a black color to the text. So guys, our website UI design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.